Good morning, students. In the previous video we have discussed about the examples of exponents and powers, that is chapter number 12 of your NCERT book, and now in this video we will start the exercise. So let's start the exercise. Sum first. And let's do the second part. That is, we have to simplify or evaluate minus 4 raised to the power minus 2. This is the question, minus 4 raised to the power minus 2. We have to simplify it. And before starting the question, I hope you have all learned the laws of exponents, the 5 important laws which we will use in the questions which we are doing today. So now minus 4 raised to the power minus 2, as we have discussed, there is a law when a raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by a. So our main concept is to remove the negative sign from the exponent. So how minus 4 raised to the power minus 2 can be written as? So it can be written as 1 upon minus 1 by 4 whole square. We will take the reciprocal in order to remove the negative sign from the exponents. So here 1 upon minus 4 whole square is minus 4 multiply minus 4. Now 1 upon minus minus plus, and that is 16. So 1 by 16 is the answer. Now sum second, that is first part. Minus 4 divided by minus 4 raised to the power 5, and that is divided by minus 4 raised to the power 8, and we have to simplify it. Minus 4 raised to the power 5 divided by minus 4 raised to the power 8, and we have, when the division sign is there, so what was our law of exponent? A raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, that gives you a raised to the power m minus n. A raised to the power m minus n. Now division sign is there, here base is same, minus 4 and minus 4, so we have to apply this identity, this law. So here minus 4 as it is, so m minus n means 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. So here it is minus 4 raised to the power minus 3. Now it becomes the same type of question. Here minus 4 raised to the power minus 2. Here minus 4 raised to the power minus 3. So in order to remove, so what was the law? This was the, so here it is written as 1 upon minus 4 cube minus 4 raised to the power 3, and 1 upon minus 4 multiply minus 4 multiply minus 4. So minus minus, that is plus, plus minus, that is minus sign will be there, and 1 upon 4 multiply 4, 16, and 16 multiply 4, that is 64. So minus 1 by 64 is the answer. Let's do one more question of some second. That is fourth part. Three raised to the power minus 7 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 10 multiply 3 raised to the power minus 5. 3 raised to the power minus 7 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 10 multiply 3 raised to the power minus 5. We have to simplify it. Again the identity, that is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, that is a raised to the power m minus n. Here the base is same, that is 3. So 3 raised to the power minus 7, minus sign is there, so we will put minus, division sign is there, and in division sign we will put the minus sign. So division sign is there, that's why we have written here minus and minus 10 bracket, and multiply 3 raised to the power minus 5 as it is. Now that is 3 raised to the power minus 7 and minus minus plus, that is 10, and multiply 3 raised to the power minus 5. 3 raised to the power, that is 10 minus 7 is 3 into 3 raised to the power minus 5. Now multiplication is there, and what was our identity? A raised to the power m multiply a raised to the power n, that is a raised to the power m plus n, that is a raised to the power m plus n. So here applied 3 raised to the power 3 plus bracket minus 5, so it will comes out 3 raised to the power minus 2. And how can we write it? 1 upon 3 square, that is 1 by 9. That is 1 by 9 is the answer. So see the steps how we have done this question. Two identities, we have two laws of exponents we have used. First this and then this. 3 raised to the power minus 7, minus into minus 10, minus minus will give you plus, so 10 minus 7 that is 3, and now minus 5 and 3 gives you minus 2, so 1 by 9 is the answer. Now some third, first part. 3 raised to the power 0 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 multiply 2 square. And let's see one more part. This third part. 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. Now here, see the first part of sum third, 3 raised to the power 0. The identity is any number that raised to the power 0 is always 1. So 3 raised to the power 0 can be written as 1 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 is 1 by 4 multiply 2 square is 4. Now 1 plus 1 by 4 have take to LCM. 4, this is 4 plus 1 multiply 4 here. 4 plus 1 5 by 4 multiply 4, this will deduct, so it comes out to be 5 is the answer. So 3 raised to the power is 1, 4 raised to the power minus 1 is 1 by 4 multiply 4, then LCM and then the simplification, so 5 is the answer. Now let's see this part. Now what is given here? The exponent is a negative term, that is minus 2, and the first step is we have to convert it into a positive term. So how will we convert? While taking the reciprocal. As we know that a raised to the power minus 1 is 1 by a. So now if we have to convert it into a positive term, so how will we do it? How can we do it? We will take the reciprocal of that number. So 1 by 2, reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2, and that is 2 square. Now the negative sign will convert into the positive sign. Similarly here, 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 2. So if we take the reciprocal of the number, then the sign will change to the plus sign. So that is 3 whole square plus similarly 1 by 4. So that is 4 whole square. This was the important concept that we have seen. In order to change the exponent, the negative exponent into positive exponent, we need to reciprocate the number. Now 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16. So 9 plus 4, that is 13, that is plus 16, so that is 29 is the answer. So these are few questions that we discussed of exercise 12.1. In the previous exercise we have discussed some of the examples. So your main concept is to learn, the first is to learn all the law of exponents, then to do the examples, that is solve the examples of the NCERT book, and then to go through the exercise 12.1 to practice the question. In case of any queries, we will discuss it later on, and in the next video we will move further. Thank you and have a good day.